Hardliners on tobacco, the effects, when to quit, who to approach. All these were expressed last Friday at an event organised by the Niue Health Department to commemorate No Tobacco Day. Many of the elder generation participated at the workshop with short stories, life dramas and real-life experiences were told, with the Director of Health leading the fight.
Tobacco-free day, it's very important that health leaders are role models for this cause, and I have to be very clear to you all today that in this point I am not a role model. I am a smoker, and I'm very aware that I have made a bad health choice, and I think all of us from time to time do make bad health choices, and I'm very aware that my health choice is a bad one, and it affects me personally, my health, but also bad health choices affect the ones who love us. My children, my partners, my husband, my family all beg me to stop, and still I persist. I think it is a testament to the power of this drug, nicotine, and its addictive qualities. I've worked in health for over 30 years. 10 years I worked in an oncology cancer unit. I firsthand saw people dying of lung disease and lung cancer. So I'm very aware of the risks, and I still persist. So I think really my message to you today is the purpose of days like today is to raise awareness and make us stop and think about the bad health choices we've made. And I certainly did a lot of reflection today before I knew that I was going to get up and have to talk to you. And I really wanted to front up my bad health choice. But I think we all make bad health choices. And from time to time we need to deal with that.
The No Tobacco Day is celebrated every year on the 31st of May.